CBD Mobile App, a smarter way to manage your everyday banking. Requesting your IBAN letter in the CBD Mobile App is quick and simple. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process. To request your IBAN letter, log in to the CBD Mobile App using your preferred method, either by using Face ID, UAE Pass, or by entering your password. From the home screen, there are several ways to reach the Services section. You can tap the profile icon, the Services icon, or the banner at the bottom of the screen. Once you are in the Services section, tap IBAN Letter. Select the account for which you would like to generate the IBAN letter. Then choose to whom the letter will be addressed. You can select Myself or Other Entity. If you select Other Entity, write the entity name and, if applicable, the emirate where the entity is located. Then select the language in which the letter should be issued, either English or Arabic. Once all the details have been entered, tap Next. A confirmation screen will appear, showing the details of your request. Review the information carefully, then tap Request Letter to generate your IBAN letter. The system will generate your IBAN letter, which will only take a moment. Once the letter is ready, it will appear on your screen, and you will have the option to download or share it. If you are happy with it, tap Done to return to the Services section. You can also find the letter anytime in the History section. And that's it! Your IBAN letter has been successfully generated. With the CBD mobile app, managing your banking documents is simple, secure, and fully digital. Don't have the app yet? Download it now and enjoy simple, secure banking on the go.